You know, it's unfortunate because you're a great earner for somebody else, but you're not a great earner for yourself. Guys, it was just like me when I first started working. I was learning how to be a great worker, a 9-to-5 worker, make money for somebody else, right? Depend on the paycheck that they give me, right? Pay the bills, pay my family, and if I was lucky, you know, put away $100 to $150 for investing. That sucked, and it's not safe. We saw that with Corona, right? People who were so certain they had good jobs and that they're good people, they still got wiped out, man, right? Now is the time for you guys to learn how to build wealth for yourself, how to start and grow your own business, and how to invest and manage your money or cash flow, right? You need to master the high income skills that let you make money for you and that make you valuable to the marketplace, right? You need to learn how to make active income, build a team to lift you up, and reinvest that to generate you passive income for long-term wealth creation. That's the only way to be safe, is to depend on you. Replace that paycheck, fire your boss, and get out of the rat race finally. Guys, it's the time now. This is the time. Your friends around you doing this are going to come up. Guys, your family is, and you'll be going backwards, right? Getting left behind because of all this unemployment, all this job loss, all the inflation going up. And if you're going to take that step, one more important thing to look for is look for somebody who can explain all this stuff simply to a 10-year-old, right? Because that means that they truly understand it and that they'll be able to help you build wealth, right? And make money for yourself. So make sure they are teaching you what they do, right? You don't want to buy a sales course if you're having business problems. If you have an e-commerce business, a sales course isn't the answer. You don't want to buy a sales or marketing or a one-off course from someone who's running an online business and claiming they can teach you how to make money, because that's not what's making them successful, right? Understanding how an online business is actually built and ran is what's making them money. And you want a few things, right, from the person who's going to teach you. Number one, you want to make sure that they are teaching you exactly what they do. Number two, that they're actually doing what they teach, right? If someone is teaching sales, right, but they do e-commerce, like, you want to learn the e-commerce. They do not do the sales that they teach. That's not what's going to make you money, because e-commerce is what actually makes you money. Same thing with marketing, guys. You don't want to go and just learn like copywriting or just one piece of marketing or just how to run ads unless you want a job, right? You want to learn not how they do their marketing, right? But how they run their whole entire business. That's what will help you. And nobody else teaches you all those parts in the market right now except for us. Number three is you want to make sure that they can explain everything that we just spoke about very simply, right? If they can't, or they can't help it make sense to you, they don't understand it well enough themselves yet. So make sure that the person teaching you guys and that the person you've chose to explain it to you could also teach and explain it to a 10-year-old. And those are the factors I'd like and I'd take into when deciding on the company that you're going to learn how to build wealth and start successful businesses and brands with. So if you'd like to speak with one of our coaches, type in williamswealthcreation.com, read through the homepage on our website for a little bit of an introduction, and what you'll see is a link at the bottom of the page saying to apply or become a client. What I want you to do is click that link. You'll be redirected to a web page with a calendar where you can pick which times work best for you. And what we're going to do is give you a call to see if we can help you achieve your wealth, your sales, and your business goals. I'll talk to you soon.